Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you about my barn with all the animals in it. So over here we have the three kittens. There's a black one and there's two little grey ones. Moving into the barn we have the chicken coop. Over in there are some chickens, and over here there's someone collecting the eggs, and there's the baby chicks in there. So if we go into the farm, up here all we have is the ladder, and down from the ladder we have all where the cows get milked, and we have some foals drinking some milk, and over in there, I'm not sure if you can see, there's a yellow scrubbing thing for the cows. On the other side of the barn, over here, we have the two pigs. They're just munching on some food right now. Over here is the collection of bunnies. They're just having a little nibble because all of the animals in the barn it's food time. Over here in the barn, we have all of some sheep. There are a lot of babies in there. So there's sheep in there. And over here there's the dog bowl, water and food. We have another wheelbarrow of other stuff. And this is one of the animals. He is out of his fence a lot. We only have one of them. He is the only one. And on the other side we have the bulls. So we have one black bull and two other brown bulls. And when you go over here, we have the 4 dogs. We have some, can't remember what these 2 dogs are called, but I do know that we have a Dalmatian here. That's the pretty dog that I like, and we got another one. And over here we have the jump set with all the stuff that we're not using right now. Some hay and other stuff for the horses. Thank you for meeting with me and this video, for watching this with me today. I hope you guys liked it. So bye.